Hello everybody. Today is Monday, September 28th. It's 4:06 p.m. You see the date up here in the title bar. The regular session for the futures markets just closed about 6 minutes ago. So there's trading going on until 4:15 Eastern Time. I'll bring over the time and sales for the E-mini S&P. As you can see, it's 4:07. The E-mini S&P trading at 1874. It was quite a good day for the auto trader today. But before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, as stated, the auto trader had a great day today. First up is the Russell contract on the Uni Renko. This is kind of a similar setup to the crude oil on this same Uni Renko chart that's been trading so well. So just looking back, you can see a few of the trades here. These are limit orders. This is only two contracts. So a closed P&L today of 1730 or 173 ticks on two contracts. Next up is the 30-year Treasury bond on the Superenco 7 tick, and we had really solid performance from the bonds today as the S&P sold off pretty hard, the bonds rallied, and a single trade on the Superenco 7 tick chart netted 1687.50 in closed P&L. So I have four charts trading on the 30-year Treasury bond. This is the Superenco 6 tick, similar trade to the 7 tick, a single long trade, and closing out at 1656, just a tick less. The 30-year Treasury bond on the Superenco 5 tick had identical performance to the 7 tick chart, a single long trade with near perfect exit and entry on the session. And this is the 30-year Treasury bond on the Superenco 2 tick, which is a really tight time frame, but this is trading the BWT line break module and algorithm, as you can see selected here, and it hit its profit goal of 1350. So I've been showing this line break chart now for a week or 2 weeks, and it's beginning to show some consistent performance. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 8 tick, and I believe this one is configured with a stop order, stop at close, and it did 887.50 today on two contracts. Again, we have the Russell, and this is also a line break algorithm, the line break module, and this is on a Uni Renko chart, and I'm also using the precision trend filter in conjunction with the line break algorithm, so that causes the trades to not get whipsawed. There's line break signals here, but they weren't taken because the bars were not blue with the upside line break. So it only goes in the direction of the trend. So this one did 810 on two contracts in the Russell on the line break algorithm. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the Uni Renko chart, and this one did 790 for the day. Some excellent trades here. This is another line break module on the E-mini S&P on the Uni Renko. And so I'm doing quite a bit of experimentation with this line break module. It's actually showing to be pretty good. So on the Uni Renko chart, still turned in 425. This is only two contracts. Okay, the crude oil and the precision Renko did 350, a modest gain today. So I want to bring over the time and sales, the control center, and do a recap of all the systems that traded today. We have the Russell on the Uni-Renko chart did 1730 on 2 contracts or 173 ticks. The bonds did 1687.50 on both the Super Renko 7 tick and the 5 tick chart. And then the 30-year Treasury did 1656 on the 6 tick chart, 1312 on the 2 tick line break algorithm chart. The E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 8 tick did 887.50. The Russell on a line break algorithm on a Uni-Renko chart did 810 on 2 contracts. The crude oil on the Uni-Renko did 790. The E-mini S&P on a line break algorithm on a Uni-Renko chart did 425. The crude oil on the Precision Renko did 350. And then a second Super Renko 8 tick only cleared 62.50. And then there was a couple of losers here. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll come back and take a look at the bonds here. 30-year Treasury on the Super Renko 6 tick. Absolute great entry and exit on this trade. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website and have a good look around, or shoot us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.